Hi everybody, welcome back to Sibelius 7 lessons here at Educator.com. Entering notes. In this chapter we will learn a few different ways to enter the notes in Sibelius 7 application. We will cover how to enter notes, rests, and a few articulations by mouse. As well, we will go ahead and learn how to enter them by our computer's keyboard too. At this point, numeric keypad is becoming again important, just like if you are also using another Avid technology music workstation, Pro Tools. It's got a lot of keyboard shortcut, which I did Pro Tools lessons here at Educator.com too. We were highly talking about the numeric keypad shortcuts. There were a lot. So at this point in the end of this lesson, you will see when we start entering notes by the numeric keypad how important it is, this function. It is very important. It's if you don't have the numeric extension of the keyboard, you can also get as an extension with the USB, so you will include that to your keyboard, or just get one external keyboard basically. It's in an addition with the numeric keyboard. First thing we will talk about is entering notes by the mouse. We need to first bring our keypad on the screen and move in a comfortable location to leave it there, that it won't be in our way, although in an occasion we may want to constantly change where the keypad that's going to stand on the screen. So one easy way to bring the keypad on the screen is Command Option K, and same shortcut will toggle on and off the keypad. If you are on a PC, it's going to be Control Alt K, and then once we have our keypad, we can move it around. Also, if you are under the View tab, you can go and get the keypad there too. It's checked, so I unchecked it, so you can recheck it and you can bring it. There are a couple of different ways to bring it up, and I believe we covered that earlier in another chapter when we talked about the ribbon. So we're going to bring the keypad, let's say, on the second bar here. That's because if it's so far, I would always have to load the mouse, then bring it. So if you want to keep that distance shorter, you can bring somewhere like around there. I'm going to go on the keypad. As you see, there is values, accidentals, rest. Keypad really designed for the numeric keypad. It looks like one. But we're going to talk about those details when we start entering the notes with the keyboard, just like in this lesson actually. Let's go and choose a note here. I just choose a value from the keypad, and then how that's going to turn into a note, I would bring it over here somewhere. Where am I going to enter the note? If this is going to be the first note, I go slightly close to the time signature. And then as you can see, my mouse is loaded with the note this time. And I can just like enter a G here. I have one accidental here, is F sharp. This could be G major or E minor as a tonality. Or some sort of mode. Like C Lydian. But it's got one sharp at that point. So I want to enter another note. So if I want to enter another half note here, I should really go over this note, and I explain the reason in a second why. And if I want to put this a little before, for instance right here, it would already change my first note. And the reason to that is because I'm entering this before its value a little bit, so automatically that's Sibelius' way to tell me that your first note cannot sustain that long then. And how this happens at that point it's something related to snap positions that I would like to cover right now, right away. Let's go